Good morning, friends. Today we'll solve Heron's formula sums. That concept we'll apply for a quadrilaterals. Here, a park is in the shape of a quadrilateral. As a part of Heron's formula, we know what is the area of triangle. Okay, but here it is quadrilateral. Application. Okay, A, B, C, D. Here the quadrilateral diagram is not given in the question. We have to draw the quadrilateral. It is not rectangle, it is not square, it is not rhombus, or it is not parallelogram. He mentioned only it is a quadrilateral. And angle B is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is always like this. A perpendicular line. Damn sure it is 90 degrees. You should not draw other lines perpendicular like this to make a rectangle or square. Now, the other one is like AB is 9 meters, BC is 40 meters, CD like that it is given. I am taking like this. Okay? A, B, C, D. Okay? Now, AB is equal to how many meters? 9 meters. BC is equal to 40 meters. CD is 15 meters. And AD is 28 meters. So, find its area. Find its area. Area of the park. This area of E is in the shape of a quadrilateral. So, we don't know how to find out the area of quadrilateral formula. That means, okay, half D into, okay, H1 plus H2. We don't know diagonal. We don't know what is height. So, definitely you should use the formula, Heron's formula. How to do this sum? So, if it is 90 degrees, you divide this quadrilateral into two triangles by drawing a diagonal. By drawing a diagonal. Now, quadrilateral divides into two triangles. One quadrilateral divides into two triangles. Of course, one is right angle triangle. Very good. Now, that right angle triangle having sides, one is 9 meters, other one is 40 meters. ABC, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle, right angle triangle formula. You need not go for Heron's formula. What is the answer? Half base into height. Half base is how much? 40. Height is 9. 20 times 180 square meters. This area is 180 square meters. This area is how much? If you found that area, of course, your sum is completed. Now to find that area, I am taking the triangle like this. The same pattern I followed. A, D, C. This is 28 meters. This is 15 meters. Okay, it is not 90 degrees to write half base into height. Because this is not right angle triangle. Because it is not given in the question. How to find out? You should use Heron's formula here. But the problem is, for using Heron's formula, you need to find out first S. S is equal to formula A plus B plus C by 2. Of course, if you consider this is as A, this is as B, what is C? What is AC? Diagonal. We don't know. With respect to the quadrilateral, AC is diagonal. With respect to this triangle, AC is one of the side. But with respect to the triangle, right angle triangle, AC is one side, of course, hypotenuse. We can use here Pythagoras theorem. Very good. Okay. What theorem you can use here? Pythagoras theorem. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square. 9 square, and one more side square, 40 square. So 81 plus 1600, h is equal to root of 1681. So 1681, I am doing a root by using long division method. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 81, 4 double is 8, 1 time 81. So what is the root? 41. So hypotenuse is 41 meters. So what is this side? 41 meters we got it. And of course now C is equal to 41 meters. Now I am finding this A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to. So 28 plus 15 plus 41 by 2. A plus B plus C. Now add it. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 is left. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1. Okay. Sorry. 3 plus 4. Okay. Okay. Now 84 by 2 is 42 meters. Because S is semi-perimeter. Area of triangle. Okay. Area of triangle. Area of this Heron's formula. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what is S here? Okay, that is 42 root of 42. 42 minus 28. 42 minus 15. 42 minus 41. Now we will subtract. Okay, we will subtract and we will find out the root for this. We will subtract now. Okay, after subtraction 42 minus 28 is 14 and it is 27 and it is 1. Now I am finding root by using prime factorization method. 42 can be written as 7 6. 42 is how much? 7 6. The 6 I am writing 2 into 3. So this 7 to 6 is this 42 is 7 into 2 into 3. Now come to 14. 7 into 2. This 14 is 7 into 2. 27. 9 into 3. Okay. Now if any number is repeated, we will take ones. 2 sevens are there. 1 7. 2 twos are there. 1 2. 2 threes are there. 1 3. Of course 9 is there. 9 root is 3. Okay. Now 7 twos are 14. 14 threes are 42. 42 into 3 is 126 square meters. So this area is how much? 126 square meters. Now what the question he asked, what is the area of the park? Okay, I am doing here the area of the park. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of first triangle plus area of second triangle. 180 plus 126, that is 306 square meters. So area of quadrilateral, how to find out is the question. Now area of quadrilateral formula half D into H1 plus H2 as per the mensuration. We don't have the diagonal and we don't have the heights. By using Heron's formula, we found. Here one logic and whatever it may be, one given information that B is 90 degrees. So angle B is 90 degrees, like this you should draw compulsory. Now I draw according to the question, I draw the diagram. Now this, okay, I am drawing the AC as diagonal and divided into the quadrilateral into two triangles. Now first triangle I was taking here, ABC. AB is 9 meters, BC is 40 meters. 9 and 40. This is what type of triangle? A right angle triangle. Right angle triangle area we know. Half base into height. Half 40 into 9. We got it 180. Now other triangle I was taken ADC. A is 28. B is 15. We don't know 41. That is C. Is how much? For that, with respect to the quadrilateral, this is diagonal. With respect to this triangle, it is one of the side. But with respect to the right angle triangle, it is hypotenuse. What theorem we used here? Pythagoras theorem. Sine square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. By using that formula, I found what is the hypotenuse. Of course, that is the diagonal. I substituted here. Now, here I used Heron's formula, root of s into s minus a into b into c. What is s? It's a semi-perimeter. A plus b plus c by 2. By using this formula, I got it as 126. He asked, find the area of the park. Find the area of the park. Area of park is nothing but quadrilateral, that is nothing but consists of two triangles. So, addition of the two areas, we got it as 306 square meters. Okay, we'll go with second example. Okay, now here is our second example. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. A triangle is there. Okay, a triangle and a parallelogram. Okay, suppose ABC is a triangle, BCDE is a parallelogram, have the same base. What is base? BC. And same area. What is that? Same area. That means area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. Area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. Now, the sides of the triangle is given. Now, I am taking the triangle separately. The sides of the triangle A, B, C. Okay, and here the clear information is given. Stands on the base 7 centimeters. Parallelogram stands on the base 7 centimeters. Now, what is base for parallelogram? BC. What is base for triangle? BC. That means this 7 centimeters is base. You have to take like that. So 7 centimeters, this is 7.5 centimeters, this is 6.5 centimeters. Now, area of triangle is how much? Area of triangle is how much? For that, we can use Heron's formula. Good. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 7.5, 6.5, 7 by 2. Okay. Now, 7.5 plus 6.5. 7 plus 6. 13 plus 1. 14 plus 7. 14 plus 7. 21 by 2. That is nothing but 10.5. Now, area of triangle. Area of triangle formula, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So, yes, 10.5. S minus A, 10.5 minus 7.5. 10.5 minus 6.5. 10.5 minus 7. So, 10.5. 10.5 minus 7.5. Okay, that is nothing but 3. Next, 10.5 minus 6.5. 0.5, leave it. 10 minus 6, 4. Okay, 10.5 minus 7. Good, 3.5. Okay, in this, 1 is perfect square. Among this, 1 is perfect square. What is that? 4. 2 I wrote. Now, this 10.5 can be written as 105 by 10 into 3, 35 by 10. Because decimals will convert into lines. Now 2 into root of, and of course before writing root also, here a 10 is repeated twice. So I am writing 1. Now there is no fractions inside. 105. 105 I am writing prime factorization. 5 table. 21 times 3 table. 7. So 5 3 7 into 3. 35. 7 5s are 35. So 2 by 10 into 2 5s are there. 1 5. Okay, 2 5s are there. 1 5. Next step. 2 3s are there. 1 time. 2 7s are there. 1 time. 2 5s are 10. Cancelled. So how much we got? 21 square centimeters. So what is the area of triangle you got? 21 square centimeters. He did not ask you what is the area of triangle. What he asked? Find the height of the parallelogram. Find the height of the parallelogram. Now, area of parallelogram formula, base into height. First, our general pronunciation. Area of parallelogram, base into height. Area of triangle, how much we got? 21. Base of the parallelogram, because common base as 7. So 7 into height is equal to 21. So that implies height is equal to 21 by 7. So height is equal to 3 centimeters. So it is an application like a parallelogram and a triangle is inserted having same base. Here the general thing, that means what is the common thing here? There are two common things here. One is same area and the second one is the common base. Okay? Those two things you have to analyze. Then only you should apply the diagram. You should draw the diagram, apply the things in the diagram, and then you should think. The clear given information is this one. Area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. For that, there is a chance to find area of triangle by using Heron's formula, and we did like this. Okay, we'll go with the next example. Okay, now one more example. How much paper of each shade? Okay, each shade in the sense color is needed to make a kite given in the figure in which ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square given with the diagonal 44 centimeters. What is given? Diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square is given 44 centimeters. Okay. Now, generally we will draw square like this. Okay. There it is tilted. Now, if it is side, it is side. In a square, all sides are equal. Then we will go with one diagonal. This is one diagonal. This is how much he gave? 44 centimeters. Now, I shaded one part. What is that? Yes, a right angle triangle. Shall we use Pythagoras theorem? Right? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Side square plus side square is equal to 2 side square 44 into 44. Now, I am writing side square is equal to 44 into 44 by 2. Side square is nothing but area of square. Area of square formula, right, side square. So how many times it is cancelled? 22 times. Now 22 into, now area is equal to how much we got? 22 into 44. Actually, we don't want area of square completely. Here you should apply your logical thing instead of multiplying 22 into 44 and all. Now, the square is divided into 4 parts. Red, blue, yellow and yellow. 4 parts are there. Now, area of each shade is asked. Area of each shade. Now, area of each shade. Okay, that means here red and blue one shade, yellow 2 times it is repeated. Now, but divided into 4 parts, 22 into 44 by 4, 11 times 22 into 11, 242 square meters. That means red area is 242, blue area 242 square centimeters, blue area 242 square centimeters. Next, green area. Okay, green area. Here you should pay attention. Not green area, sorry, yellow area. Okay, yellow area. 2 into 242. Because yellow is given here 2 times. So 2 2s are 4, 8, 4 square centimeters. Now, only one part is completed in the sum. The square part, red, blue, yellow and yellow. So red area, blue area, yellow area, we done. Now, the bottom part, a triangle is there. 20, 20, 14. So 20, 20, 14, what we will use? Right, Heron's formula. Okay, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 20 plus 14 by 2. 40 plus 14, 54 by 2. 27. Area of triangle. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, root of 27, 7, 7 and 20 minus 14 is 6. 2 sevens are there. 1 7 will come out. Now 27. 9 3s are 6 is 2 3s. So 7 into 9 root is 3. 2 3s are there. 1 3 and 2. Now multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Or else reverse. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2. 63. 63 into 2, 126 square centimeters. Now, green area. Green area is 126 square centimeters. He asked how much area of each shade. Each shade, red, blue, yellow, green. By using square formula, we find out first 3 and the bottom part by using Heron's formula, we found out. So, whatever it may be, it is the mensuration part only. Heron's formula means mensuration part only. So, in the next video, we'll discuss some more examples. Okay.